Hello everyone, we are studying paper 4 Microbial Biochemistry, Unit 2 Microbial Metabolism. So, from glucose catabolism, first we have studied glycolysis, and now next we are going to study different pathway, that is citric acid cycle. Okay, citric acid cycle is also called as Krebs cycle or TCA cycle, that is tricarboxylic acid cycle. So why these names are given, that we will study. This was invented by Hans Krebs in 1937. So the name is also given as a Krebs cycle. Then the sequence of reactions in the mitochondria that oxidizes the acetyl moiety of acetyl CoA to CO2 takes place in this pathway. Then the final common pathway for oxidation of carbohydrate, lipid and protein. So these are the main features, that is it is a common final pathway for the oxidation of all the biomolecules. Okay, सगळ्या biomolecules final pathway Krebs cycle असू शकतो. Then metabolized by acetyl CoA or intermediates of the cycle. We are going to study what are the intermediates in this cycle, and with the help of this it is metabolized. Then these processes occur in most tissue but significantly occur in the liver. Okay, सगळ्याच टिश्यू मध्ये होतं पण लिव्हर मध्ये जास्त प्रमाणात we can see. Then hyperammonemia is as occurs in the advanced liver diseases, leads to loss of consciousness, coma and convulsions as a result of impaired activity of the citric acid cycle, leading to reduced formation of ATP. Okay, it is a disorder which leads to all these kind of symptoms and leads to the reduced ATP formation. So here is a overall cycle of the overall cycle or the pathway. Okay, here you can see pyruvate, which is formed in the glycolysis, is also entered in this citric acid cycle. The pyruvate ची एंट्री कशी होते citric acid cycle मध्ये, तर it is first converted to acetyl CoA आणि असाच जसं कार्बोहायड्रेट मेटाबॉलिझम मध्ये pyruvate ने एंटर केलंय through the acetyl CoA formation. In the same way, other biomolecules such as proteins and lipids can also enter the citric acid cycle by converting its end product to the acetyl CoA. Okay, this cycle is termed as citric acid cycle, as first metabolic intermediate form in the cycle is citric acid. Okay, see here, first metabolic product is a citric acid, so the name is given as citric acid cycle. Then this cycle is also termed as a TCA cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle. Tricarboxylic acid म्हणजे ज्याच्यामध्ये 3 कार्बन प्रेझेंट असणार आहे. तर TCA cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle असं नेम का दिलं, बिकॉज जेव्हा ही सायकल इंट्रोड्यूस झाली, जेव्हा ही प्रोसेस इंट्रोड्यूस झाली, तेव्हा we were not sure that the first product is citrate or different tricarboxylic acid, that is isocitric acid. But further we came to know that first product is citric acid. See, this isocitrate is also 3 carbon compound, so it was not sure that isocitrate is a first product or citrate is a first product. So it was first known as TCA cycle. Then after confirmation we began to call it as a citric acid cycle. This cycle only occurs under aerobic conditions only, as energy rich molecules like NAD plus and FAD can only be retrieved from their reduced form once they transfer electrons to the molecular oxygen. आता ही सायकल जी आहे ती म्हणजे एरोबिक कंडिशन मध्येच का ऑपरेट होऊ शकते, बिकॉज NAD प्लस अँड FAD हे पण काय आहे एनर्जी रिच कंपाऊंड्स आहेत लाईक ATP. ओके, सी हिअर NADH and FAD are formed. Okay, so these energy rich compounds can only be retrieved म्हणजे त्यांना आपण retrieve तेव्हाच करू शकतो जेव्हा ते मॉलिक्युलर ऑक्सिजन मधून ते ऑक्सिजनशी ते रिॲक्ट करतात. ओके, once they reduce to form once they transfer electrons to the molecular oxygen. Okay, they should transfer their electrons to the molecular oxygen. Then citric acid cycle is a final common pathway. We have now studied that it is a final common pathway for all the for oxidation of all the biomolecules, that is proteins, fatty acids and carbohydrates. Molecules from other cycles and pathway enter this cycle through acetyl CoA. We have discussed की ह्यांच्या सगळ्याचं जे biomolecules आहेत they will convert to acetyl CoA and enter the citric acid cycle. Then citric acid cycle is a cyclic sequence of reactions formed of 8 enzyme mediated reactions. Okay, this is a 8 enzyme mediated reactions, and this cycle is also particularly important as it provides electrons or high energy molecules to electron transport chain for the production of ATPs and water. ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉनचं प्रोडक्शन होणार आहे आणि हाय एनर्जी रिच मॉलिक्युल्सचं प्रोडक्शन होणार आहे टू फॉर द विच हेल्प इन द इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सपोर्ट चेन. म्हणजे दुसरा जो पाथवे आहे इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सपोर्ट चेन त्याच्यामध्ये इट विल हेल्प फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ATPs and water. Then pyruvate formed at the end of the glycolysis is first oxidized to acetyl CoA which enters the citric acid cycle. Then location. ओके, ग्लायकोलिसिस कुठे ऑकर होत होता तर सेलच्या सायटोप्लाझम मध्ये आणि क्रेब्स सायकल हा मायटोकॉन्ड्रिया मध्ये फॉर्म होते. सो सी इन यूकॅरियोट्स it will takes place in the mitochondria, but in prokaryote it takes place in the cytoplasm itself because there is no mitochondria present in prokaryotes. And आता पायरुवेट आपण आताच डिस्कस केलं की पायरुवेट कुठे फॉर्म झालाय इन द सायटोप्लाझम. ओके, सायटोप्लाझम मध्ये फॉर्म झाला ड्युरिंग द ग्लायकोलिसिस, मग त्याला इथे ट्रान्सफर केलं जातं इन द मायटोकॉन्ड्रिया. ओके, where further reactions of the Krebs cycle takes place. The different enzyme involved in the citric acid cycle, आता जे एन्झाईम लागणार आहे citric acid cycle proceed करण्यासाठी they are located in the inner membrane or in the matrix. Okay, see they will be located in the inner membrane or in the matrix space of the mitochondria. Then Krebs cycle equation or reaction. So this is the overall reaction. Acetyl CoA plus 3 NAD plus 1 FAD plus 1 ADP plus 1 PI, that is inorganic phosphate, is converted to 2 molecules of CO2 plus 3 NADH plus 3 H plus ions plus 1 FADH2 plus 1 ATP. Then what are the enzymes that are used in these reactions are as citrate synthase, aconitase, isocitrate dehydrogenase, alpha ketoglutarate, succinyl CoA synthase, succinate dehydrogenase, fumarase and maltate dehydrogenase. See, these all enzymes are used in this particular pathway to form the first citrateचं कन्वर्जन कशात होतं cis aconitate to isocitrate to oxalosuccinate to alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl CoA, succinate, fumarate, maltate, oxaloacetate, and then again it will condense with the acetyl CoA to form citrate. Okay, every new molecule of acetyl CoA will undergo this particular pathway. Then आफ्टर ग्लायकोलिसिस आपण आताच डिस्कस केलं पायरुवेटचं कन्वर्जन ॲसिटाइल CoA मध्ये होणार आहे. तर ते कसं होणार आहे इन दिस प्रोसेस the pyruvate derived from the glycolysis is oxidatively decarboxylated to acetyl CoA and CO2 catalyzed by the pyruvate. Okay, it is decarboxylated म्हणजे removal of CO2 takes place with the in the presence of cofactor A. Okay, with the help of enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. It is a complex म्हणजेच E1, E2 and E3 ह्या तीन सब युनिट्स ना एकत्र मिळून और ह्या तीन युनिट्स मिळून जो कॉम्प्लेक्स बनतोय इट इज mediator of this pathway. In the mitochondrial matrix, in eukaryotes and in the cytoplasm of the prokaryotes. Then first step is the condensation of acetyl CoA with the oxaloacetate. Okay, आता ह्या आपण सायकल मध्ये बघितलं ऑक्झॅलोएसिटेट आहे तो acetyl CoA सोबत कंडेन्स झालेला आहे. ओके, टू फॉर्म अ सिट्रेट. सी ऑक्झॅलोएसिटेट हा किती कार्बन कंपाऊंड आहे तर 4 कार्बन कंपाऊंड and acetyl CoA is a 2 carbon compound, so they are going to condense. Okay, they are going to condense to form a 6 carbon compound, that is citrate, with the help of enzyme citrate synthase. Okay, and the reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme citrate synthase that condenses methyl group. See, it condenses methyl group of acetyl CoA and the carbonyl group of acetyl group of acetyl CoA, methyl group of acetyl CoA and carbonyl group of oxaloacetate and result in the citryl CoA, which latter is cleaved to free the coenzyme A and form a citrate. Then second step is the isomerization of citrate to isocitrate. आता ही दोन स्टेप रिएक्शन आहे, that is conversion of first citrate to cis aconitate and then cis aconitate to isocitrate. Okay, this is a two-step process. We can either write it separately or we can combine this reaction. Okay, so what happens here is this reaction is takes place by two-step process. हा आपण हे आता डिस्कस केलं, टू स्टेप प्रोसेस आहे ही. देन दिस टेक्स प्लेस. आता हे बघा इथे काय झालेलं आहे, H2O दॅट इज वॉटरचं रिमूव्हल झालेलं आहे आणि इथं वॉटरचं ॲडिशन झालेलं आहे. ओके, इट इज आयसोमरायझेशन, जस्ट चेंज ऑफ द प्लेस. ओके, देन थर्ड स्टेप इज ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन ऑफ isocitrate. See, the third step of the citric acid cycle is the first of the 4 oxidation reduction reactions in this cycle. तर ही जी थर्ड स्टेप आहे ही ऑक्सिडेशन रिडक्शन रिॲक्शन्स जे आहेत या सायकल मधले त्याच्यातली फर्स्ट स्टेप आहे. ओके, द आयसोसिट्रेट is oxidatively carboxylated via 5 carbon compound. Okay, to form a 5 carbon compound, that is alpha ketoglutarate, catalyzed by the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. Okay, enzyme is a isocitrate dehydrogenase. This reaction, like the second reaction, is a two-step reaction. पहिला काय होणार आहे, isocitrate is dehydrogenated to oxalosuccinate, while the second step is the decarboxylation of oxalosuccinate to alpha ketoglutarate. ओके, ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होणार आहे, पहिला ऑक्झॅलोएसिटेट मध्ये कन्व्हर्जन होणार आहे आणि ऑक्झॅलोएसिटेट मधून CO2 चं रिमूव्हल होणार आहे, thus leading to a 5 carbon molecule alpha ketoglutarate. Then fourth step is the oxidative decarboxylation of alpha ketoglutarate. Okay, then again decarboxylation takes place, that is removal of oxygen. Okay, the reaction is the irreversible. and catalyzed by enzyme complex alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase found in the mitochondrial space. This reaction is similar to the oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate involving the reduction of NAD plus to NADH. So here NAD plus is reduced to NADH. Okay, and decarboxylation झाल्यामुळे CO2 is removed. Then conversion of succinyl CoA to succinate. Okay. डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन झाल्यामुळे इथे काय झालंय, सक्सिनिल कोएचं फॉर्मेशन झालंय. नाव सक्सिनिल कोए इज कन्वर्टेड टू सक्सिनेट. Okay, how it is takes place, that is succinyl CoA undergoes an energy conserving reaction. Here energy is conserved in which succinyl CoA is cleaved to form succinate. तर ह्या रिएक्शन मध्ये काय होणार आहे, GDP चा यूज होणार आहे. We have already studied the importance of all the nucleotides, that is ATP, GTP. Okay, so GTP can also be used as the energy yielding molecule, and here we are here GDP is used. Okay, this reaction is accompanied by phosphorylation of GDP, that is addition of phosphoryl group to the GDP to form a GTP. Okay, आणि जो GTP फॉर्म होणार आहे, that can readily transfers its terminal phosphate to ADP forming an ATP molecule. okay, जर हा ATP जो फॉर्म झाले GDP पासून जो GTP फॉर्म होणार आहे, हा GTP ह्याचा जो टर्मिनल फॉस्फेट ग्रुप आहे तो नंतर ADP ला ट्रान्सफॉर्म करू शकतो टू फॉर्म ATP. ओके, the reaction is catalyzed by enzyme succinyl CoA synthase. Okay, succinyl CoA synthetase. Okay, सिंथेज नाही, सिंथेटेज. ओके, बिकॉज सक्सिनिल कोएचं कन्वर्जन झालेलं आहे सक्सिनेट मध्ये, सो इथे त्याचं सिंथेसिस नाही झालं, सो ती सक्सिनिल कोए सिंथेटेज. देन डिहायड्रेशन ऑफ सक्सिनेट टू फ्युमारेट. ओके, succinate is converted to fumarate. Succinate is formed from the succinyl CoA. It is then dehydrogenated to fumarate, catalyzed by the enzyme complex succinate dehydrogenase found in the intramitochondrial space. And this is the only dehydrogenation step in the citric acid cycle in which NAD plus doesn't participate. Okay, here NAD plus is not participated. Instead, another high energy rich electron carrier, that is flavin adenine dinucleotide, that is FAD, acts as a hydrogen acceptor, resulting in the formation of FADH2. And the FADH2 then enters the electron transport chain via the complex 2, transferring the electrons to the ubiquinone, finally forming the 2 ATPs. FAD फॉर्मेशनचा इम्पॉर्टन्स आहे तो ह्या सायकल मध्ये जो FADH2 फॉर्म होतोय, that will be helpful in the electron transport chain, म्हणजे जो दुसरा पाथवे आहे त्याच्यामध्ये ह्याचा यूज होणार आहे to form 2 ATPs. Okay, then next step is the hydration of fumarate. This fumarate फॉर्मेशन झालेलं, तर ह्या फ्युमारेटचा हायड्रेशन होऊन माल्टेट मध्ये कन्वर्जन होणार. फ्युमारेट इज रिव्हर्सिबली हायड्रेटेड टू फॉर्म L maltate in the presence of enzyme fumarate hydratase. Okay, as it is reversible reaction, the formation of L maltate involves hydration, whereas formation of fumarate involves dehydration. आता इथे प्रोडक्ट कुठला फॉर्म झालेला आहे, माल्टेट. देन नेक्स्ट इज द dehydrogenation of L maltate to oxaloacetate. The last step of the citric acid cycle is also an oxidation reduction reaction where L-maltate is dehydrogenated to oxaloacetate in the presence of L-maltate dehydrogenase which is present in the mitochondrial matrix. तर इथे काय फॉर्म होणार आहे oxaloacetate. Okay. Oxaloacetate thus formed allows the repetition of the cycle and NADH formed participates in the oxidative phosphorylation. This reaction completes the cycle. आता जिथपासून स्टार्ट झालेलं तिथेच परत ही सायकल काय झाली आहे एंड झाली आहे. दॅट इज ऑक्झॅलोएसिटेट परत फॉर्म झालेला आहे which will further again condense with the acetyl CoA and it will continue the cycle. So this step completes the cycle. Then what are the key products of the Krebs cycle? Since this is a cyclic process, oxaloacetate formed at the end as it condenses with acetyl CoA in the next cycle. In each turn of the cycle, प्रत्येक टर्न मध्ये 3 NADH, एक FADH2, one molecule of ATP or GTP and 2 molecules of CO2 are formed. NADH are formed, one NADH are formed from the molecule of a pyruvate in the oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate to acetyl CoA. Okay, आपण आता जे पायरुवेटचं सायकल बघितलं because we are studying catabolism of the glucose. So here it is formed because by the oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate to oxaloacetate. Okay, then आपण ह्या सायकल मध्ये बघू शकतो as each and every cycle should have some every cycle should have a regulatory steps to maintain the balance. Okay, so what are the steps? Okay, regulation of such an important pathway is most needed for two reasons. First is to avoid the overproduction. Regulation का गरजेचं आहे overproduction avoid करण्यासाठी and thereafter accumulation of the intermediate. overproduction झालं तर काय होणार आहे ते accumulate होऊन राहणार आहे आणि intermediates जे आहेत म्हणजेच मध्ये फॉर्म होणारे जे प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत त्याचं पण accumulation होणार आहे. And second is to keep the cell in steady state. Okay, then regulation is operated by means of allosteric effectors and covalent modification of some key enzymes. Okay, what are that key enzymes? See, in this particular pathway the pyruvate first is pyruvateचं acetyl CoA मध्ये conversion झालं नाही तर citric acid cycle पुढे वर्क होणार नाहीये कारण acetyl CoA फॉर्म झालेला नाहीये. So that is one regulatory step because जर pyruvate जर हाय क्वांटिटी मध्ये असेल ATP जर हाय क्वांटिटी मध्ये असेल तर it will not be produced it is not be converted to acetyl CoA. Then next is with the in the formation before the formation of citrate, that is acetyl CoA आणि citrate चा formation व्हायच्या आधी. Here it is a regulatory step. Okay, then next is the between the succinate and fumarate. Okay, succinate पासून fumarate चं जे generation आहे तिथे ही cycle regulate होऊ शकते. So this is all about the citric acid cycle, Krebs cycle or TCA cycle. Thank you.